All right, welcome back to the show, baby. Let's see if we can catch some fish in the tough Delta. Delta being so stingy in some places. In some places, she like, hey, how you doing to people? You know, so I have to move around. You know, that's what you got to do sometimes. You know, you start seeing guys catching them and you not catching them. You can't just poke your lip out, man, and start dragging it around, man. That's all that means is you in the wrong place, baby. You need to start venturing out, looking around, and, you know, seeing what you can come up with. Because next time it could be you found the fish when everybody else like, where is he at? You know, Ski? Let's see, what we gonna start with? Boom, 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 boom. That's the number of the funky town. I couldn't find my waterproof boots since I got back from Shasta. I had to wear regular shoes. Hope my feet don't get too wet today. Ain't nothing like soggy feet. Soggy feet will take you out the game. You can't smile, you can't laugh, you can't get too excited on fish. I mean, they gotta be big fish to keep your mind. You gotta catch solid and big fish constantly just to keep your mind off of soggy feet. But as soon as that high comes down, mind back on soggy feet. That's it. It's sad. Sometimes, I mean, really though, you should keep an extra pair of shoes and socks in your boat. Or maybe even your yak in your bag on some days. I mean, but you know, I know it don't happen all the time, but when it do, soggy feet. And don't let the water or something go down your bibs or your pants. You got soggy butt. Oh my God, come get me immediately. And you walking around, you just swishing. Oh man. You just never know, man. I said we was at Shasta, I took a bunch of waves over the front. Going up the sack. I had soggy feet and soggy booty. It was like 7 in the morning. I was like, oh man, I wanted to see if I could call a helicopter, man. Cause somebody helicopter me a fresh pair of underwear and some socks and shoes. Your boy out here wrong. I was freezing too. Nothing could save me. Oh gosh, what the heck is happening? What is happening to you, champ? All right, let's see. Just look like a fish should be over there. He just look like a gordita should be hanging out over there. Hopefully that song right there dedicated to that Younder. So I want to see who out there with that beautiful voice. Oh, uh-oh. Oh, oh, we missed him. There we go. Got one. Oh, yeah. Oh, no. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, baby. We're on the board. Dude! Yeah. Okay. Don't you know no good? Don't you know no good? Look at that belly shirt, Muffin Topper. Hey, Muffin Top. All right, Nat, that wasn't so bad. Yeah, wow. Wow, that's a good one right there, ladies and gents. Hey, that got me back right, you know, Ski? Man, you are a beautiful fish, baby. Okay. Man, ooh, look at, oh, okay. Okay, I likes that. All right, Mama, thank you for everything. Yeetany! California Delta, baby. Yes, sir. One time. One time. All right, that fish was up shallow. I likes that. I was like, man, what's happening? Am I hung? Nope, dude. Yeah, let me I was, but it didn't tell me nothing though. But hey, I told my body, hey, get ready, baby, some more fun. Like about this trolling motor too, I can use it as a spot lock to help myself out, you know, keep myself in place when that wind is going gallon. I can you know, ski. Somewhere over here. Okay. Alrighty. Oh, look at that. There's some bait flickering. Little bait flicker. Uh-oh, is that a bite? Yep, there we go. Oh, little guy. Okay, we'll take him. Hey, little fella. How you doing? I get to meet all my Delta constituents. Hey, beautiful. Watch you grow up to be like a 12 Younder. I'll see you in the future, baby. Easy. One time. Testes. 1, 2, 3. Okay. That's what I kind of figured. Oh, there we go. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh man, I was just about to leave. There we go. Choke it. Yeah. Damn. It looked like the fish was saying it. Oh, he wanted that. He wanted that. Look at that one, huh? Okay, baby. Look at that one, baby. Take her. Oh, beautiful. Thank you for coming to see me, man. I needed a little somebody to talk to. You know, you're my therapist. Gosh, I got so much stuff on the bar. Let's get you back in the water, mama. Oh, yes, 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 yes. All right, cutie. I'll talk to you. Let's get back to work. What time? Greg.
What's the word? You got three though.
I got three though, you know, but it's it's like ain't no rhyme or reason to it.
How big was any size or they sticks?
The first one was nice. He was like a 4-pounder.
No way.
Yeah. Yeah. The second one, well, he wasn't even a pound, and then the third one was about like a 2.5.
I don't know, man. I caught one of the jig back here, but that was only my tip. There's like hundreds, if not thousands, of carp at the back of that slope.
Really?
Oh my god. Yeah, they're definitely carp. There might be some bullhead or crappie because there's some smaller marks. But
Yep.
yeah, I was like soaking my jig. I like felt a little tree way down under, like probably 10 foot actually.
Oh.
One thing that I was in, man, like there's so much good looking punch stuff. I punched it for a while. There's not a single bite.
Yeah. I figured when I started punching, I said I'm probably punching exactly what Greg was punching.
I might make my way towards there.
Okay.
I'll let you. How long are you out here for?
I'll be out here as long as you out here.
Alright, man. Let's figure something out.
Yeah, let's figure something out. You know?
Alright, man. Talk to you in a bit.
All right. One thing. Oh, that fish should be on there. I'm trying to do. Oh, there we go. Oh, he came off. Oh, man. Shoot. Little midday report. I'm feeling good. I guess that's all that matters. Man, we caught a couple of fish. One solid one. And man, we just missed one. And you know, we just steady, you know, hit until we come across some. Having a good time today, baby. It's a tough fight out here for sure. It's nippy. And you know, but that's fishing, man. I'm taking it all in, and I just got a feeling that one of them Younders gonna come see me today. So until then, man, sit back, man, keep smiling and enjoy the show, baby. Eat the D. Oh, there. Oh, there we go. Okay. Okay. All right. There we go. Yes, sir. Get over here, bucko. Yeah, nice one. Over here. Yes. Oh, hey, fella. Wow, that's a nice ski. I'm not mad at you. Nice little chunk. That's a nice chunk. Take you on tournament day. Yes, sir. All right, sweet thing. Dude. See, that's the pun. So, let's go with you. Oh my gosh! Damn! Oh, that was a good fish. Greg,
What's happening, man?
what's going on, brother?
Dude, I caught like random fish from crankbait. I just was like fishing the grass line.
Yeah.
And I mean, I got like 2 bites right away, and then took me like 30 minutes to get another one, and then like 30 minutes to get another one. And then there was like this little stretch where I got like 4 or 5 bites.
I missed 2 on chatterbait.
Oh, chatterbites.
Yep. There's one right at the boat, and one just coming over by some toolies.
Seemed like the bite picked up a little bit.
Yep.
Like they started chasing stuff.
Right, exactly. Yep, and look like it got a little warmer too, but it's still super tough. Jeez.
I know, it's close, man. I feel like it's close, so it's like about to happen in the next week or 2.
Yep, exactly. Just got to keep on coming out and policing. Yeah.
So how's root beer doing?
Oh man, root beer is good. You know, I just gotta she should be done this week, so the plan is to pick her up this weekend. Yeah, then we can get back out there and you know, start policing them waters and root beer.
So what happened today though?
Huh?
Did you film it all today?
Yeah, I filmed all day. Yep, I filmed all day.
Get out safe, man.
Yeah, you too, brother. I'll talk to you in a minute. All right. Later, Greg.